If you use an iPhone, there are a few important settings that you should change right now to make your phone faster, safer, and more private. Many people don't realize that some default iPhone settings actually collect data, drain your battery, and even share information you may not want to share. So in this video, I'll go over the settings you should adjust immediately to get the best performance and privacy from your iPhone. Let's start with the first one. App tracking. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Tracking, and turn off Allow Apps to Request to Track. This setting stops apps from tracking your activity across other apps and websites. It helps you avoid unnecessary ads and keeps your data private. While you're there, also turn off personalized ads under Apple advertising. This will reduce how much Apple uses your data for targeted ads. Next, let's talk about location services. Go to Settings of Privacy and Security, Location Services. Many apps ask for your location even when they don't need it. Check the list and allow location access only for apps like Maps or Weather that truly require it. For everything else, choose Never or while using the app. This not only improves privacy, but also helps save battery life. Another important setting is Background App Refresh. Go to Settings, General Background App Refresh, and turn it off completely or choose Wi-Fi only. This feature allows apps to refresh their content in the background, but it also drains your battery and uses mobile data. Turning it off means your apps will still work fine. They'll just update when you open them. Now, let's look at analytics and improvements. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements, and switch off all the options you see, like Share iPhone Analytics and Improve Siri and Dictation. These settings send data to Apple to help improve their services, but they're not necessary for your phone to function. Turning them off will reduce background activity and save some battery. Another useful setting to change is notification previews. Go to Settings and Notifications, choose Show Previews, and choose When Unlocked. This setting hides message or notification content when your phone is locked, which means no one can read your private messages without your permission. It's a small change, but it helps keep your information safe. Finally, make sure to adjust your auto, lock and face ID settings. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Auto, lock and set it to 30 seconds or 1 minute. This keeps your iPhone from staying on for too long and helps save battery. Then, under Face ID and Passcode, enable Require Attention for Face ID. This makes your iPhone unlock only when you're actually looking at it, which improves your phone's security. Changing these iPhone settings only takes a few minutes, but it can make a huge difference in privacy, battery life, and performance. You get fewer ads, better security, and a smoother iPhone experience overall. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who use iPhones. And let me know in the comments which setting you changed first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video!